play with puppies, okay?
I was in Vancouver.
Oh dear.
Okay. Shh, don't talk.
Okay? So this is a really good way to just give the puppy a really good feeling on this field, right? Because this is really his first time, his second time being here, right? So then, as long as he's got it. So how old is he?
15 weeks. Oh. That's talking. Shh. I just don't want you to be able to.
What are you calling him?
Cute puppy.
His name?
Louie.
Louie! Yeah, he's gonna be a good dog. Oh, you got it! Oh! Oh, look at that! Oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Look at you! Look at you! So this is about all we can do with puppies. Ah! Play with them! Uh-oh! This toy's good because you can make the puppy change direction. Okay. Uh-oh. That's about enough for him.
Okay.
He's done thinking.